So, there's a guy. He wants to tell another guy that he has this many sheep. Guy said, whenever I have 5 sheep, it means I have 1 and 1 and 1. He did the same for numbers 1 through 9. For numbers like 1 plus 1 plus 1, he would say 9 and 6. People get sick of saying 9 plus 9. Therefore, one guy said, every time we get 9 plus 1, we make the number to the left plus 1. For example, 9 plus 1 equals 10. 10 plus 98 equals 108. 108 plus 997 equals 1105. We are adding 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3 way too much. 3 added to itself 5 times. 3 times 5, 3 times 5 equals 15, 3 plus 3 plus 3 equals 15. I had 3 apples, but now I have 5. Do math. 3 plus apples equals 5. Let x equal apples. 3 plus x equals 5. 3 minus 3 plus x equals 5 minus 3. 0 plus x equals 2. Apples equals 2. 3x equals 15. Unmultiply 15 by 3 and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. X equals 15 over 3. X equals 5. 1 over 2 equals 5 over 10. Let's do backwards places. 50 over 10 equals 5.0. 5 over 10 equals 0.5. 3x equals 13. X equals 13 over 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1/3. X equals 4 1/3. 1/3 equals 0.3333. X plus 3 equals 0. X equals 0 minus 3. Leave the backwards addition there. X equals negative 3. Let y equal 3x. When x equals 0, y equals 0. When x equals 1, y equals 3. When x equals 2, y equals 6. When x equals negative 1, y equals negative 3. 180 is a cool number. Degrees is a cool word. Let y equal 130 degrees. If y and x equal 180 degrees, x equals these are all the same angle. That means I can draw stuff like this. Geometry. A small proof for why the angles inside a triangle are 180 degrees. Angle side angle. Because you can't really make another triangle out of this. A circle with radius c produces this triangle. Let a equal 1. b is equal to 1. A squared plus b squared equals c squared. 1 squared plus 1 squared equals c squared. 2 equals c squared. Radical 2 equals c. What a would equal if c was 1. Real is to 1 as 1 is to a. A is the x value of the intersection between c and the circle. Sine of whatever degree is the y value if circle with radius 1 was plotted in a graph. Cosine is the x value. Watch the y value of the circle at blank degrees. Changing y over changing x is the slope. The slope of the function of x at x. Change of f of x over change in x. If x equals a small number and the f of x was x to the 4th power, then x plus h to the 4th power minus x to the 4th power all over h, and algebra produces this. If x is insignificant, then the derivative of x to the 4th power is 4x to the 3rd power.